Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious, soft and spongy vanilla muffins or cupcakes. This is my Christmas special cupcakes recipe and this recipe makes for total of 12 muffins or cupcakes. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहउछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन र लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. To start with the recipe, first take 1 cup of warm milk. To that add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our buttermilk is ready. Add it to a bowl. Then to that add half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk for 2 to 3 minutes. Now place a sieve and add 1.5 cup maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. Fold and mix the dry and wet ingredients till combined. Don't overmix the batter. Our cupcake batter is ready now. You can also make regular cake with this batter. Now place paper cups or cupcake liners in a cupcake mold. I am using paper cups. Fill the batter till 2/3. Bake for 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our cupcakes are perfectly baked now. See, the toothpick has also come out totally clean. Remove them from mold and allow these to cool down. So our cute and delicious Christmas special vanilla muffins are ready now. These cupcakes are super soft and spongy. And to make these cupcakes I have not used eggs or curd or condensed milk, but still they have come out to be quite delicious. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.